another song from the wonderful Leonard Cohen, and I'm impressed with the hat. Billy Boy.
I went searching for a Leonard Cohen type hat. For radio listeners, I'm trying to channel Leonard this evening. And that full moon, that full super moon, is trying to make its way over the trees, which is going to be interesting in a moment. So, travelling through Canada quite some years ago, the wonderful experience. Billy Boyle was travelling with a band called Campfire, and we stayed in Calgary one night, and tucked behind the mirror was a scrap of paper, that very scrap of paper. I had some unusual lyrics on it, so I kept it. Years later, I realised what it was, so I'd like to use that scrap of paper to bring you a very early version. You know, songwriters do rough versions of a song and then later rewrite it, so this is what I found on that scrap of paper. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk conducting a choir, like it tingles in my toes every time, like a worm in a book, like a knight taking a rook, like it tingles in my fingers every time. If I've been a fool, that's only 'cause I don't know the rules. Every times I've bent the truth, it's only 'cause of this broken tooth. Like a beast with a trombone, like a priest with a saxophone, like it tingles on my tongue every time. I saw a beggar sailing on his golden yacht. I called to him, you ain't got diddly squat. In the bosom of me woman, in a merry quant, she cried to me, project what you want. Like sushimi. No, let's try that again. Leonard's writing's a bit rough, I'll tell you. Like Japanese, eating sushimi, like a man in a mankini. I get tingles in my groin every time. Like a bird on a wire, like some punk full of fire. I get tingles in my toes every time.
Billy Boyle, lovely indeed. I don't know whether Leonard actually recorded that version, but it's...
No, he rewrote a lot of it.
Yeah.
He had to, I think.